The Lean Startup methodology offers a transformative approach for entrepreneurs aiming to launch successful ventures. By emphasizing rapid experimentation and validated learning, it empowers founders to build smarter, move faster, and minimize unnecessary risk. Central to this methodology is the concept of the minimum viable product, or MVP. An MVP allows startups to test their core assumptions with real customers early on, gathering valuable feedback before investing significant resources. This process helps teams focus on what truly matters, delivering solutions that customers actually want. By iterating quickly and learning from real-world data, founders can avoid costly missteps and adapt their products to better fit the market. The build, measure, learn cycle is a core principle in modern startup methodology. It begins with building a simple prototype or minimum viable product, allowing startups to quickly bring an idea to life. Next, they measure how real users interact with this prototype, collecting data on behaviors, preferences, and pain points. This information is then analyzed to learn what works and what doesn't, guiding teams to either improve their product or pivot in a new direction. Validated learning is at the heart of this process, as each experiment provides concrete evidence about what customers truly value. By repeating this cycle rapidly, startups make informed, evidence-driven decisions, reducing guesswork and increasing the likelihood of creating products that genuinely meet customer needs. The journey of building a startup is rarely a straight path. True success is shaped by a willingness to experiment, learn from setbacks, and constantly adapt. It's not about achieving perfection from the start, but about embracing growth and resilience along the way. Each challenge becomes an opportunity to refine your vision and strengthen your resolve. In the fast-paced world of modern startups, progress is measured by learning and evolution, not flawless execution. Remember, it's the courage to keep moving forward that sets great founders apart.